Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, any Funday Sunday watch face review. Today we got a giveaway by PW, an awesome looking watch face that I know you're gonna like. Now for my US connection, the first and the third person who comments will have an opportunity to win this watch face. For my Canada connection, the first 3 people who comment will be able to win this watch face as well. Now for my Canada connection, I need to know that you are from Canada, so you need to let me know when you comment in the comment section down below, so I can also get a list of all my people from Canada. And with that, let's go ahead and kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face to check out by my man PW. It's called PW81. PW definitely stepped way outside of the box with this one. This one is definitely different from what I'm used to seeing coming from PW. And I'm loving it. Now in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gears 3. For the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different. They're both going to look good. You're going to get just what you need to see in the always on mode. And once the watch face is on, here's where it really starts to look good. Now I'm liking that neon, or let's say that glow in the dark theme type of look. That works for me, right? Now I'm also liking the hands. The hands are very stylish. It's red. It makes the watch face stand out, especially considering the color. And you got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that's very unique in its own right as well, with that red dot right at the tip. Now here's the info that you get. Up at the top, I like that it's all sectioned off. You get your step info, miles walked or ran. You're going to get your heart rate info, calories burned, and of course what's important to most people are steps. You also get your battery percentage right at the top in the green color, and down at the bottom I like how this information is layered. It gives you the day of the week. It also gives you your date. You come down and you get digital time, which means that you get the best of both worlds, which I love. And it is interactive. Down here I can get into my settings to tweak my watch. If I tap on the battery percentage, I'm going to get my calendar. It's kind of hard to do behind the watch face, but you can pull up your calendar, which I thought was pretty cool as well. And I'm going to double tap in the middle. We're going to cycle through all the different colors that you're going to get with this watch face once you download it. Now you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this watch face, because I thought definitely PW got down on this one. I'm going to give him 2 thumbs up because he did an excellent job at stepping outside of the box with this one. And he gives you a bunch of different colors to choose from. Again, PW, great job. Keep it up. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the Funday Sunday watch face review. I hope you're enjoying the rest of your weekend. Relax, have fun, and if you got to do yard work, pace it out. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I will see you all at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on the way out. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.